Alright, so the problem lena, it was a bit tricky, but we know angisho ukuthi the term maximum velocity implies ukuthi acceleration is equals to 0, right? So maximum velocity implies that acceleration is equals to 0 meters per second squared. And then if you want to use, this is the equation for acceleration that we have. It's A is equals to 750 over x plus 10 squared. This is the equation for ubani, for acceleration. But here, if you let acceleration be equals to 0, do you see what the equation won't be true? Because obviously when you put 0 lan and you cross multiply 0 times anything, says about 0. So it's 750 is equals to 0, and then it will be a false thing, right? Yes. So lana-ke yiphi approach that we can use to calculate the maximum velocity? What approach can we use to calculate the maximum velocity? Because here, according to this equation, if you let A be 0, the equation will be false. So what is the strategic approach that we can take to tackle the problem? How can you calculate maximum velocity? Because into a effect, we know that maximum velocity acceleration is equals to 0. But you cannot let this be equals to 0. Because really 0 times this is what is 0 is equals to 750, and it will be a false thing according to mathematics. It means in this equation, acceleration can never be 0. So what can we do to find the maximum velocity? I got an idea. People who are measuring with maths, hey, we rely on you here. If we have got something like this, it's 0 is equals to 1 over x, and then it's solve for x. What can you do about this? It's just one of those examples, Anje. 0 is equals to 1 over x. What must be x? Kanisilekelela ntwana be-calculus and mathematics. 0 is equals to 1 over x. What is equals to x then? No ideas. All right. 1 over x. 1 over x can only equals to 0 if x is becoming bigger and bigger and bigger, right? You know that concept of a limit to say, if you increase x, which is the denominator, then this whole fraction will tend to ubani, to 0. We know that concept, Angisho. So basically, we can apply this very same thing here, because here into eshintsha acceleration yethu, the changing factor here is not time, because lana equation yethu is in terms of position. Its acceleration is equal to 750 over x, where x is the position in meters. So at this point, we definitely know we cannot just use this equation and say let acceleration be equals to 0. But what we can note is that ukuze u-A abe equals to 0 in such an equation, u-x, or let's just say the denominator must become what? Must become bigger and bigger. That is the concept. So here, the only way for this thing to be equals to 0, this denominator must become a bigger number. So in other ways, in mathematics, we are trying to say, this denominator must go towards ubani, infinite. Yeah, it's a kind of something that needs to be digested properly. Because here, you cannot just say A is equals to 0. So actually, the only way for acceleration to equal 0. So for acceleration to go towards 0 meters per second, for acceleration to go towards 0 meters per second, then we need an x value ezenza ukuthi denominator iqhubeke yenze njani, ikhula. Because the bigger the denominator, then the fraction will tend to ubani, to 0. Considering also 750 is a constant. So here, for that to happen, x must approach infinite. So for this equation, acceleration can only be 0 if x approaches infinite. And when acceleration is equals to 0, then we have a maximum velocity. So we need to try to make sure ukuthi kwi-velocity equation yethu u-x approaches ubani? U-infinity. But now we don't have a velocity equation, we just have acceleration is equal to 750 over x plus 10 squared. Can we find velocity if we are given acceleration? Can we find velocity when we are given acceleration? Yes, angisho. And in this case, acceleration yethu, it is given in terms of position. So remember, the acceleration has got two options. Remember, acceleration x double dot is equals to dv dt, the derivative of velocity with respect to time, or acceleration is equals to v dv dx. So in this case, it is in terms of position. So lana equation acceleration yethu siyabona ukuthi lana masingathi this is our acceleration x double dot, nangu acceleration yethu x double dot, it is in terms of ubani? Position. So we can just take this one because iyo enobani? Enoposition part. So we can take and say ukuthi acceleration, it is v dv dx is equals to 750 over x plus 10 squared. What are we trying to achieve ngalento le? Sifuna at least ukuthola i-equation ye-velocity because lana we want i-velocity. Okay, in acceleration we can find out that acceleration tends to 0 when x goes to infinity, but thina sifuna ini? I-velocity, i-maximum velocity. So at least must be an equation that defines the velocity for this object that is moving. But here we've got two things to integrate with, so we can cross multiply one of them as we did last time. So we have got uv dv is equals to 750 over x plus 10 squared dx. So we cross multiply dx to the other side so that at least we can be able to integrate on both sides. Khona sokwazi uthola ubani? Uvelocity wethu uv. And from here, if we integrate, because we have something to integrate with, we put integral sign manje, it's an integrator. Lana we're integrating with respect to ubani, to a change in velocity. This object starts from rest, so we know that the lower bound or initial velocity, it is 0. And thina sifuna ini? Sifuna nje i-general equation for ini? I-velocity yonke. So from 0 to a certain velocity that we don't know, the maximum esazoyithola. And then the position here, it is moving from bani, it is moving from 0 to that position at that velocity. So last one, what is the equation here velocity with respect to position? And then in the equation, we will let x go to infinity so that acceleration can go to 0 to produce a maximum velocity. So careful analysis on this one. So lana, if we integrate, we get v squared over 2. Considering bound, the lower bound is just 0, so it won't make any difference. If we integrate the other side, 750 is a constant. And when we integrate here, I integrated before. So we know the integral of 750 over this will just give us negative 1 over bani over x plus 10, is it? Negative 1 over x plus 10. We integrated this last time. You just use EU substitution there. You say let u be x plus 10, and then u mise phezulu ube u to the power minus 2. You reverse the power rule, and then you substitute back the value of u. Because here we want to focus on the physics part of it. So this is minus 1 over x plus 10. And ama-bounds wakho here 0 meters. Hey, lana 0 meters. Lana bound there 0, it doesn't matter. But let's just write it. So the bound doesn't matter for this one, but this one it matters indeed. So 750 into this from 0 to x. Masses evaluator integral to, let's just shift this and evaluate integral. Okay. So masses evaluator, the left side integral faka upper bounds. So kala no v and then stand no 0 ngisho. So this will just give us still v squared over 2. And when we integrate this other side, we will have 750 into lana no negative 1 over x plus 10, right? So you're kind of substitute x where there is x. And this is dx. So it means where there is x, we're going to first substitute the upper bound, then the lower bound. So this will give us negative 1 over x plus 10. It will just be x plus 10. Basically, minus negative of this expression will just give us positive plus 1 over. La lower bound, we're going to substitute 0 where there is x. So we put 0 here. This will be 0 plus 10. So this is plus 1 over 10. So this is our integral. Now let us solve for equation v. At least let's have equation give velocity, so that we can do what we can let a position go to infinity. So from here we can just cross multiply and say v squared is equals to 1500 negative 1500 over x plus 10 plus 1500 over 10. Just applied the mathematics. Lana, you cross multiplied with 2. This is 2 times 750 is 1.5 times local ngaphakathi is negative 1.5 over x plus 10. Low 1.5 times this is 1.5 over 10. And 1.5 over 10 is somewhere around 150. So we can just say this is plus 150. And then Tina, remember, sifuna equation of velocity and last no v squared. So we just have to square root all the things. So the equation for velocity there will be, in this case, this is the square root of negative 1500 over x plus 10 plus 150. So the equation layer 2, this is the equation of velocity as a function of position. Shuthi kahle lana equation ye velocity yethu with respect to the change in position is this. So you can use this to test the effect any other ratio. And show say at x is equals to 20. Yeah, they said at x is equals to 20, the velocity is 10. So you can try to use the equation to see if the equation is correct. Ufake lana u20 and try to see if you get 10 as the velocity. So now, the equation for what? Equation for velocity. But now we want a maximum velocity. And lana sithe, lana acceleration must be 0 so that the velocity is maximum, right? And lana, according to the first equation, the acceleration can only be 0 if x goes to infinity. So the maximum velocity will get it only when x is going towards infinity. So you evaluate the as a limit. So you can only have a maximum velocity when x is going towards infinity. That is when acceleration is going towards 0. So asikhathe kanjena la. Kanjena. Sazobuyela futhi sibuye kabusha. So here it is. So lana, for us to get a velocity a maximum, x must go towards infinity. So try to find out what is v max there. Shuthi kahle make x to be bigger and bigger and bigger. Luckily, this is not a calculus class again. You can carry calculate. If you don't know how to evaluate a limit as what tends to infinite, value substitute a number amakhulu, like keep on increasing the numbers. Starts with 10 and 100 and 1000. What value are they approaching? Otherwise, you can just see it from here to say with him, if x is mkhulu, that is, if x will go towards infinity, then we know this number here will become bigger and bigger and bigger. And then this whole fraction, minus 1.5 over x plus 10 will be equals to 0 as x goes to infinity. So actually, the only significant thing that we have here is the square root of 150. That will be the maximum velocity. So actually, just try to find what will be the velocity as x goes to infinity there, as position goes to infinity. Plus 150, this is minus. So lana, what will be the square root of 150? 12.25 meters per second. Shooting at this velocity, that's when we'll have a maximum velocity. That is when we'll have acceleration is equals to 0. So this one, it wasn't an easy analysis because this was not a derivative of time, it was a derivative of position. So maths needed to be a bit violated. Okay, not really. But okay, let's just summarize it once more for those abangayitholanga kahle. Asiqaleni lana. Just a summary. We have an object that starts from rest and has an acceleration x double dot equals to 750 over x plus 10 squared. Lana, remember, we say acceleration can be expressed in two ways. It can be expressed as a derivative of it can be derivative of velocity with respect to bani, to time, or it can be a derivative. It can be v times the derivative of v with respect to bani, x. Uzothatha iphi option wena for your acceleration. In this case, acceleration yakho is in terms of bani, in terms of position, because the equation ya acceleration here has got x. This suggests that acceleration changes with position. So here, for us to have a maximum velocity, acceleration must be equal to 0 meters per second squared. But Lana, if you substitute 0, you cannot solve anything here because this is, I don't know what type, I don't know, mathematicians know what type of an equation is this, whereby you get a false solution. But maungafaka 0 like acceleration, it will be a false solution. But you would realize this is in the same format as 0 is equals to 1 over x. What must be x here for this thing to be 0? Only if x is a bigger number, meaning x must go towards infinity. So here, that's why we say for our acceleration for this number, x double dot, to go to 0, that is for it to make a maximum velocity, or in table 0. It can only happen if x goes to infinity. That is, if x becomes a bigger number, bigger number, bigger number. But now we don't have the equation yani ye velocity. The equation kabani the acceleration. But now we want the maximum velocity. So at least try to find out what is the velocity with respect to ubani, to a position. When you have acceleration, you know that acceleration is v dv dx. We chose the equation lesibili for the mere fact which is nabani, change in positions, no x in our equation. So stay acceleration line. We're gonna say this is v dv dx is equals to 750 over this. And then again, sign integrator on both sides. Okay, we cross multiplied with dx, sign integrator on both sides. Last integrator velocity. From initial velocity was at rest 0 to final velocity v. I was a general equation, that's why v. We are not at a specific interval. And also the position from an initial position 0 to a final position x. This is our integrator. We did all the techniques. We found out that the equation for velocity is this one. And the velocity is changing with ubani position. But for us to produce a maximum velocity, acceleration must be 0. And for acceleration to be 0, position must approach ubani infinite. So you must make sure that x approaches infinite. And here by analysis, we can see x is part of the denominator. So if it grows bigger and bigger and bigger, the fraction yonke lena is ubani is 0. So when we do the limit as x goes to infinity of this thing, as x goes to infinity, the only significant term that we have is ubani 150. So the square root of 150 is 12.25 meters per second, which will be our maximum velocity.